Here is a nifty trick to stay organized when using Midjourney in Discord. What you can do is create your own servers for different projects. Now, this is great because you don't have all of your projects and all of your works in one long chat, and you get to separate them and keep your workflow clean and optimized. And this is how you do it. So come into Discord, into Midjourney, and come down to Add Server on the left-hand side. Click on this and go to Create My Own Server. For here, you can just put in for me and my friends. Next up, you can add an avatar or an icon if you want, but you don't need to. Secondly, if you want to name this as the project name. So I'm going to stick in here travel posters. And this is for a travel poster project, which I'm working on. If you want to follow along and try out this tutorial, I've linked to it in the description below. So go along and press create. Now you have a beautiful new server. You can just press got it on any updates there. Now you come back to the Midjourney bot, and then at the top you want to come up and click on Midjourney bot. From here you have the option to add to server. So you can click on add to server, and you have the option to come down and select your server. So we're going to select travel posters. Press continue and go down to authorize. You might get a captcha here, so you just have to say that I am human. I am a human. Thank God for that. And you're authorized. You can close this window, come out, and come to your new server. So you have travel posters here. From this, you can type in, imagine, and speak to Midjourney. And that's it. It's a super easy way for you to manage your projects, get a better workflow,